Welcome everybody. This is going to be a walkthrough of Zenith, the challenges for Nahamcon 2021 CTF. I actually did not complete this during the challenge, or during the actual CTF. But anyways, so we're supposed to find the flag, but there's intentionally no flag.txt, which will make a lot of sense when we figure out what we're doing to get in there. So we just SSH in here. And we'll see what we have. So we get in here, lsla, nothing in here, sudo-l. Looks like we actually have something. So this challenge revolves around Zenity, which I've had zero experience with. So I ran out of time when I probably should have dug into it a little bit more because it is not that difficult. So really what Zenity does is it allows you to do X11 forwarding. So one thing we need to do to really be able to do anything is go ahead and throw on the -X. So X11 forwarding is available. Now we'll log back in and then we can just do Zenity -help. It takes a little bit for it to actually load and run. But some of the things that we're going to be concerned about is the file selection. So we can kind of look around and see some different things. But we're really going to want to try to figure out how to get some type of command execution on there. So let's go ahead and just do sudo zenity, and then we'll do the file selection so we can kind of see what's going on there. So this should pop up a GUI here in a second. Right, so we are now looking on that remote host. So let's go ahead and see if we can get back to root and see any files that are interesting. And we can't, because if we try to notice the file size is really large. I actually looked at a couple of write-ups on how I figured this portion out. So we're going to go ahead and close that. The next thing that we want to do is we're going to use file name and then the text info flags. Zenity text info file name. So we'll go ahead and look at that get flag. But what we'll see is it's not actually a text file. It is some type of binary. So we'll see at least like the elf header on it. But there is other valuable information on this. Yeah, so there's our elf header. So we can't really do anything with that. But what we can do is sudo and check for root SSH. So all right, so let's look. Permit root login, yes. So we may have a private key for root, so that's what we're going to look for. So sudo type Zenity text info file name equals root sh rsa. And there we go. So we can now copy this down. I actually already have it copied. Send. And then make sure you chmod it 100. All right, and now get out of here. We will root that, put that there, and then I mean, it obviously already there. So flag. One thing you did need to do is you needed to do a chmod plus x on get flag in order to be able to run it. I had already done that. So get flag, and you have your flag. So pretty simple. Just have to learn Zenity a little bit. All right.